Hello students, welcome to standard 11 subject mathematics chapter 1 sets. This is lecture number 11 now, and in the last lecture we have seen some practical problem examples. We are continuing in the previous lectures, and now some more examples we will see on the practical examples, practical problems. So example 27 is, there are 200 individuals with a skin disorder. Total 200 individuals are having skin disorder. 120 have been exposed to chemical C1. 120 individuals who are having skin disorder due to chemical C1. 50 to chemical C2 and 30 to both the chemical C1 and C2. Because of the chemical C1 and C2, both affected skin disorders, the number of individuals are 30, and due to C2 chemical skin disorder having individuals are 50, and due to C1 chemical skin disorder having individuals are 120. Now we want to find out the number of individuals exposed to, number 1, chemical C1 but not to chemical C2. We want to find out that type of number of individuals who are having the skin disorders due to chemical C1 but not due to chemical C2. And in second number, the number of individuals exposed to chemical C2 but not to chemical C1, that we want to find out. And in third number, the number of individuals exposed to chemical C1 or chemical C2, that we want to find out. So here, to understand it well, we have drawn this Venn diagram also, and total 200 individuals have skin disorders. So total is universal set U equals to, so number of individuals in total is NU equals to 200, means number of individuals having skin disorder, total number of individuals 200. NC1 shows the number of individuals exposed to C1, so NC1 is equal to 120 given. NC2 shows the number of individuals exposed to C2, that is 50 given, and this is C1 and C2 both exposed individuals are 30. So for both, intersection in union operation and intersection operation, C1 intersection C2 shows the number of individuals, and C1 intersection C2 shows the number of individuals have exposed to C1 and C2 both, and it is 30 given. So this situation we have shown in a Venn diagram, totally universal set U by the rectangle. This is the C1 individuals chemical exposed to, that is C1 shown, and C2 shows the number of individuals exposed to chemical C2, and this is its intersection part. So you know well that this intersection part, if we remove only this part, only C1 is called C1 minus C2, this portion. So C1 but not C2. Similarly this part, when you remove the intersection part from this C2, it gives C2 minus C1, means only C2 but not C1. C2 but not C1. This is C1 but not C2. By the difference of sets definition, this is the Venn diagram we have. This shows only white portion of C2 shows C2 minus C1. This white portion of C1 shows C1 minus C2, and this common portion shows C1 intersection C2. So here, one by one, first we need chemical C1 but not C2. C1 but not C2 means C1 minus C2 we need. So that's why the formula is NC1 minus C2 equals to, how to get this from whole C1, that is NC1 minus, we have to subtract this intersection. So it is minus NC1 intersection C2. By the figure you can understand. Now NC1 is 120 minus NC1 intersection C2 is 30. 120 minus 30 is 90. This number is showing the number of individuals exposed to chemical C1 but not chemical C2 is 90 individuals. Very similar, second number chemical C2 but not C1. So this we want to find out. So similar way we will go. and C2 minus C1 shows the number of individuals exposed to C2 but not C1. And how to get this? By the Venn diagram you can understand. Only to get this portion C2 minus C1 is C2 the whole and C2 minus subtract the intersection of these two, C1 C2. C1 intersection C2, subtract this. And C2 is 50 given, minus intersection is 30, 50 minus 30 is 20. So this 20 shows the second answer, number of individuals exposed to chemical C2 but not exposed to chemical C1 is 20. Now third number, C1 or C2, C1 or C2, A or B like that. C1 or C2 is C1 union C2 you want. So that is here, and C1 union C2 you want here. And for that the formula we have that is NC1 plus NC2 minus NC1 intersection C2. Place all the values. NC1 is 120 plus NC2 is 50 minus NC1 intersection C2 is 30. 120 and 30. Sorry, 120 and plus 50, 170 minus 30, it gives 140. So this 140 is the number of individuals exposed to chemical C1 or chemical C2. It is 140. So this way all the three answers we get. Now some miscellaneous examples we will see on the chapter number 1. In some typical type of examples here we have. So the next example 28 miscellaneous group is show that the set of letters needed to spell cataract and the set of the letters needed to spell tract are equal. Both the sets are equal, that we want to show. So the solution, let x equals to the set of the letters of cataract. So x equals to these letters we have to use to make the set. In that becomes C, then A, then T and R. These letters are coming in this set. As you know, in the set, the same elements will not be repeated. One element one time. So C, it is 2 times, so only one time you have to write. A, only one time you have to write. T, only one time you have to write. R, we have to write one time. So this is the set showing X, that is the set of the letters of cataract. Similarly, Y equals to the set of the letters needed to spell tract. If Y, so Y is the set of the letters of tract are also again similar way T, R, A, C, and T is again, so don't be repeated. So it is T, R, A, C. You can arrange this T, R, A, C because order doesn't affect the set. So you can change the order. You can write C first, then A, then T, and R. If you see C, A, T, R is the same this set. All the elements are same, and this is actually the X. So all the elements of X are in Y, and all the elements of Y is in X. So hence X equals to Y. Means both the sets are equal. We have shown. Easy. Next example 29 is list all the subsets of set -1, 0, 1. -1, 0, 1 is the set given, and we want to write out all the subsets of it. So how to write step by step, we will understand here. Solution, let the given set is A is equals to -1, 0, 1 is the given set A. Now, as we know about the subsets we have seen, phi, that is empty set, is a subset of every set. That is phi is also a subset of A here. So one of the subset is phi. First we start with that. Then the subsets having only 1, 1 elements are of 1, 1 elements the make the sets. They all will be the subset of A. So it is 1, 1 element set is -1, 0, set of 1. All the 1, 1 elements we have taken, all are the subsets of A. Then we will take the subsets having 2, 2 elements set from this only. Totally 3 elements we have, we will make the subsets of 2, 2 elements. So we will make the pairs -1, 0, one of the sets, 0, 1 the other set, -1, 1 is the set. So these 3 sets are having 2, 2 elements and all are the subsets of A. Subsets of A. Then the subsets having 3, 3 elements we will take. So 3 elements is actually the same set -1, 0, 1 only. It is actually A, and A is itself subset. That is also we know the property of subsets as Set is a subset of itself. So A is a subset of A, and obviously it has 3 elements, so it can't have the subsets having 4 elements. So all the subsets having no elements, 5 having 1 element, having 2 elements, and having 3 elements we have written. So hence all the subsets of A are 5 with 1 elements minus 1 0 1, with 2 elements minus 1 0 0 1 and minus 1 1, and with 3 elements minus 1 0 1. So these are the list of all the subsets of set A, that is minus 1 0 1, 5 minus 1 0 1, minus 1 0 0 1, minus 1 1 and minus 1 0 1. So this way, if you are asked any of the subsets to write, you will start with the no sets 5, then 1 element sets we have to write, then 2 element set we have to write, then 3 element sets we have to write, and this way we have to collect them all and we can write all the subsets of the given set. So this way, the miscellaneous examples also we have seen as 28 and 29. Some more examples we have from 30 to 34 also, and that will be this way only to think about and to write it and understand it. So it is your homework to solve the next examples, that is 30 to 34, and then you will get the miscellaneous exercise on the chapter 1, in which we have to think deeply and we have to give the answers. So miscellaneous exercise on the chapter 1 also you have to solve in your homework. So this way the chapter will be finished. Thank you.